Namaste. I'm Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla. This video is all about an important health topic. So please stay tuned until the end.
Cumin seeds. Subject inputs by Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, MD Ayurveda. Do you know? It is a common practice in Western countries to have hot soups at the beginning of the meals as an appetizer. Similarly, in India, especially in the state of Uttar Pradesh, the drink called jaljeera, which is prepared from the cumin seeds, as a custom is taken before meals as an appetizer. At the lunch or dinner parties during marriage ceremonies, the food served is generally very spicy and oily. On such occasion, buttermilk, cooked with cumin seeds, and very little oil is usually served after food. The reason behind this is nothing but the aromatic, appetizer, and digestive qualities of cumin. For the same reason, cumin seeds are very fondly used in practically all the food recipes in an Indian kitchen. Therefore, it is beneficial for everyone to know the medicinal values of cumin seeds. The life duration of the shrub of cumin seeds is 1 year. The leaves are fleshy and long. The inflorescence consists of white flowers, which blossom at the juncture of the leaves and stem. The fruits are legumes, which contain seeds. 3 types of cumin seeds are available in the market. Of these, the seeds of black caraway have a very strong flavor. The second type is white cumin, which is very tasty and hence is used in daily cooking. The third type is bitter cumin, which is used more for medicinal use, mostly in the form of local application. Medicinal uses: acute indigestion and diarrhea. Due to the digestive quality of cumin seeds, it can be taken in the dose of 2 teaspoons along with warm water 10 to 15 minutes before food, especially during acute indigestion or diarrhea. This helps in the proper digestion of food. Gastritis. In cases of hyperacidity, when the patient suffers through many symptoms such as burning sensation in the stomach and chest, anorexia, gaseous distension, and uneasiness, powder of cumin seeds should be taken in the dose of 2 grams along with coriander juice, cardamom, and salt. Altered taste. For a bad taste of the mouth, 1 gram cumin seeds should be chewed before food. Digestive upsets. For indigestion, worm infestation, constipation, and feverish feeling, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds should be taken along with warm water 3 to 4 times per day. This helps in subduing all the vitiated doshas and maintains health. Chronic indigestion. For chronic indigestion, which causes many symptoms such as abdominal distension, increased irritability, and lethargy, cumin seeds powder should be taken in the dose of 2 grams along with 500 milligrams of black pepper and ginger powder along with lime juice. Insect bites. In cases of insect bite, the paste of cumin seeds prepared in ghee should be applied to the affected area to reduce the symptoms of pain and inflammation by reducing poisonous effects. Intestinal wounds. Bitter cumin is a very potent anthelmintic, hence it is known in Sanskrit as Krimi-Ptat and Krimi-Viktat. This also acts as a prophylactic medicine for intestinal wounds. Black cumin seeds, if taken in the dose of 2 grams, twice daily along with honey for 15 days, prevent the relapse of intestinal wounds. Bad breath. For halitosis, bad breath, gargling should be done with the infusion of seeds of black caraway. If this is taken internally, it relieves constipation and body swelling. After delivery disorders. Seeds of caraway should be given to the woman in the postpartum period to cleanse the uterus and improve lactation. A word of caution. Cumin seeds should not be taken more than 6 grams at a time, else these can cause vitiation of pitta dosha and hyperacidity.
Feeling great for your interest. I am signing off for now. In the next video, I will meet you with another topic. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe this channel and click the bell button. Shatam Jiva, Sarado Vardhamanaha. Shatam Hemantan, Shatam Vasantan. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, be positive and keep smiling. Love you all. Subham.
డాక్టర్ చిరుమామిళ్ల మురళీ మనోహర్, ఎండి ఆయుర్వేద, రక్ష ఆయుర్వేదాలయ, ప్లాట్ నంబర్ 13, రామ్మూర్తి నగర్, సిబిసిఐడి కాలనీ, హైదర్ నగర్, హైదరాబాద్ 5,85,000, తెలంగాణ స్టేట్, ఇండియా. ల్యాండ్ మార్క్ కుక్కట్పల్లి ఏరియా, మెట్రోటైన్ పిల్లర్ నంబర్ A663. ఈమెయిల్ muralymanohar2008@gmail.com. వెబ్సైట్ అడ్రస్ www.muralymanohar.com. ఫోన్ నంబర్స్ 9246575510, 9177445454.